There are times when your subconscious needs something to make your life balanced. You work so hard until you forget to rest. In this competitive world, time runs too fast, so you forget to realize that actually, life isn't that long. When you're worn out, when you feel exhausted, you need to recharge. Easy, just go out and live your life. Go after the natural way of life. Go out to Namkat Yorla Pa in the north of Laos, one of the most resource-rich areas in the world. Come out to feel the freedom.
Freedom!
Come out to feel the air, the wind, the sun, the rivers. Come out to feel the purity of nature. Come out to enjoy the waterfall and rivers of life. Come out to play in the water with smart elephants. Come out to bike along the rivers. Come out to hike and learn about nature. Come out to meditate. Come out to learn about life. Come out to challenge yourself. Come out to overcome your fear. Come out to fly over high trees. Come out to learn Khmu ethnic's way of life. Come out to join the traditions. Come out to have fun. Come out for friendship and smiles. Come out to find new inspirations. Come out to light up your life. Come out to fill your life with the first sun of the day. Come out to realize how precious your life is. Come out to easily recharge your life at Namkat Yorla Pa, the tourism resort where art of relaxing and nature conservation meets perfectly and sustainably. Recharge your life. Just come out and live it.